The Federal Election Commission requires that all payees on a credit card show as memo items on the disclosure reports. For our purposes today, we're going to use the transactions listed on the screen to enter into Trailblazer and make a credit card payment. Prior to entering any credit card transactions, you must first have a credit card account set up inside your accounts area. So I've already opened up my financial banking and accounts item, and I've already created a credit card account within. What determines that this is a credit card account is this drop down right here on the account type where you are selecting credit card. Each of the payees on the credit card statement need to be added into Trailblazer prior to entering in the payment against that particular payee. Next, we'll add the Texas Roadhouse invoice for $10. We're going to go to the Invoices tab and click New. Put in the date, which was 12/20 of 2014. We'll save it. And then under the Payments tab, click New and indicate the payment was made 12/20 of 2014 again for the same amount. And down here, we're going to set the bank account as the money coming from the credit card as opposed to coming out of the regular checking account. And we'll save and close. And close again. Next, we'll add the item for the Cub Foods. When you return back to the payee list and you click the search button to refresh the screen, you can then see the updated amounts on each of the payee records. It's time to make our credit card payment of $210.82 and list all of the charge detail as memo items. Now that all the supporting detail has been entered, let's go and enter in the payment to the credit card company and show its credit card detail. I'll begin by opening up a new invoice, and I'm going to pay this on 12/31 for $210.82, and in here it's see memo items below. Save the invoice. Now go in and make a payment. Again, 12/31. Everything there is good. Save and close. Here's the extra step. Now I need to go and add in the charge detail that we've already been putting in previously. I'll click New, and I'll put in the checkboxes for each of the items, and they add up to the credit card amount that we just paid. And we're done. Looking at the results on the FEC report, we can see the principal payment as well as the memoed items.